Stop. Don't skip this video. I've made well over $10,000 in a single week with Clickbank affiliate marketing with this one secret formula that no one on YouTube is talking about. You can skip all the BS, the garbage, the complete garbage that all of these so-called gurus or experts are trying to teach you to make money with Clickbank, because it doesn't work. Just like you, before I was getting sales like $1,000 a day, $2,000 a day, $200, $400, $500, $800, $4,000, $3,000, leading all the way up to $13,000 in a single week. I was once just like you, struggling to get my first commission ever for 5 years. 5 years. I've been researching Clickbank and affiliate marketing, and I've been struggling for 5 years before I was getting conversions and sales like this, like what you're seeing right now. So you can skip all the BS that all of these gurus are trying to teach you. If you want to copy the exact formula that I've been using to generate success with Clickbank affiliate marketing to generate myself 6 figures a month, nothing like what all of these so-called fake gurus or experts have been teaching you, then click learn more in the upper right hand corner to get access to my copy and paste system that will do all of the work for you and start generating you 6 figures as early as next week or next month.